next is a brand new model just imported from Precision Scale Corporation. It is the Chesapeake and Ohio L-1 464. As you can see, this is road number 491. This comes in the yellow and stainless steel scheme. The model comes with many features such as a Swiss can motor, boot rim precision gearbox. It has a working front coupler as well as sprung drivers, many lighting features such as lighted marker lamps, lighted headlight, even lighted coal bunker and lighted tender, and lighting under the cab roof. You'll see that the model is only one of 15 units made for this particular version. So we're going to go ahead and put it in motion and we'll see how it runs. And there you have it, the Chesapeake and Ohio L-1 464 from Precision Scale.